One of the things about this boiler that my customers tell me they appreciate the most is how easy it is to access everything for cleaning. This door is easily openable. You can see it's an easily openable door with a hinge. This gives you complete access to the fire chamber and also to the nozzle and retention head on the burner. This is the end of the burner tube right here. You'll see the nozzle. This is the nozzle here. This is the electrodes that makes a spark. This is what spins the flame into a nice tight spiral. These are the serviceable items on the burner. This nozzle has to get cleaned. These electrodes have to get serviced. As they continue to spark, they will burn themselves back, and so they need to be adjusted every year. This also will build up carbon in here in these fins, and so this also needs to get cleaned every year. It's easily removable. Little screw on the side to remove. You can slide that thing right off. You can take it to your parts washer and clean it all up and put it back on again very easily. Inside here, this is water all around here for fast primary heat exchange. This pan is intended to keep oil from unburnt oil from building up in the fire chamber. This pan will get hot, and any unburnt oil that gets in there gets burned up, gets baked off. You can see in the back then the heat from the burning fire goes back through those tubes. Again, we have our unique spiral baffles in these Econo Flame boilers to extract a tremendous amount of heat. Our efficiency rating on these is running at 87%, which is really good for an oil boiler. We don't want to get much higher than that, otherwise we get condensation occurring in the boiler, and that's a bad thing. Waste oil ash is very corrosive. Waste oil makes more ash than what heating oil does, and so cleaning is an issue. This will get all coated with white ash in here all around, and the tubes will get full. You have to clean the things about once a month, every 4 weeks, and I'll take you through that cleaning process here in a minute. But it's very easy then to clean this thing. You just remove this. This slides out. You can just take a shop vac in here and a wand and just sweep the whole thing down. And same way with the back end as well, where the tubes get removed. This is where we do the cleaning. These are removable. You can pull them out. Just take this cleaning tool, you run it through, spin it around and pull it back out. You notice it has a flat spot on this side, so that makes cleaning a little easier. Run it through all those tubes, pull it back out, tap when you pull the augers out, heat exchange turbulators, drop it on the floor like that, the ash will fall off, and it's ready to stick back in. The exhaust then goes up through the top here, right up into the chimney. Again, a very straightforward design, goes right up in there. It's very nice with this back door opening up. You can easily take a chimney brush and just run right up through there without having to disassemble any chimney parts. It's very much appreciated by the customer base how easy this is to clean.